Okay, hey there YouTube, it's me Jihan the Bomb, and today I'll be giving away that rod which I said I'll be giving away like a few weeks back. It's the one from the video Found Stuff in the Jungle, Peacock Bass Fishing, Zen Zagan Offshore Shooter Dawa BG. So yeah, I'll be giving away the rod which I found in the jungle that trip. I've actually brought the rod back and stripped I think the guides and also the handle and the reel set. So it's kind of like a new rod, just the old blank, so hope whoever gets it likes it. So yeah, we'll go through the comments and then probably end this video off with a recent trip, not really that recent, like a few weeks back I went I think Jurong Lake with Ruben C, and then I went to like a drain after to try my luck to catch some haruan. So yeah, so stay tuned. Yes, so okay, let's go on with the first comment, which is, let me see. First comment is from the Mud Rock Angler Chronicles. You guys go check that out. Check his channel out. He actually does a few lure reviews and also he videos his session down and some interesting content there. So the Mud Rock Angler Chronicles says, Selamat Hari Raya Adil Fitri Jehan, maaf Zahir Batin. Selamat Hari Raya to you too, but it's kind of late and I did reply to you, so yay! I think yay. Okay, next up we have from Juba Gumi. He says, why all the haters though? Haha, you the bomb man, haha, but your intro scared me every time. Haha, Selamat Hari Raya bro. So thanks for the comment, Juba Gumi. Yeah, if you guys haven't realized yet, the comments in that video is meant for the giveaway. So hi Jupa, and thanks for commenting. Next up we have Fat Chinese Unicorn who says, bring me, oh my god, haha. Soon, maybe. Then up next we have Mr. ZP King GT. He says, what I hate in your video is the camera is pointing too high sometimes. I want to learn the twitch and pause in your video, but camera pointing too high. So high. The camera pointing so high, huh? High. So I don't know man, I expected more brutal burns in the comments, but it's actually a very constructive comment, so thank you Mr. ZP King GT. Thank you for your comment, but nope, you're not getting rod. So next up we have, let me see which one. Okay, Joel Thomas Matthew says, I hate you cause you don't make enough awesome videos. Right, thank you. Although you like kind of, you know, but nope, doesn't cut. Okay, up next we have Fishing Fans. He says, I hate everything in your video as the quality, speaking and music are all bad ironically for me, so I have all hits. So what I think he's trying to say here is he hates everything about me, so that's not too bad, but not quite there yet. And we're down to I think 2 more. So General Snow says, oh wait, 3 more. I hate your video cause you catch too many big fishes and I am probably not gonna win that rod. That's why I hate watching your vids cause I never win giveaways from anyone. So General Snow, I mean, you tried and it was kind of also, but sounds kind of sad at the end. So General Snow, if you're watching this, DM me on Instagram or comment or something, I don't know, just hit me up, try to link up with me and I'll send you some stuff, okay? So yeah, I know not everybody wins, but I feel a little generous today, so yeah, gonna send some stuff over to you, General Snow. Generous. Okay, and this one is one of my favorites. Maxi Falcon, Max. He says, caught you. Oh, Max. I know where you live, Max. I know where you live. And for winner of the giveaway, I would be giving away to Chaos Gaming, who commented, "Hey Jehan, you know why you fish alone? Because you have no friends. And the only time you hang out with one is when you are looking in the mirror. I'm sorry if I hurt you, ha 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 ha, but you said I needed to roast you to get the rod, so ha ha ha, sorry bro, sorry no kill." So you're getting that rod, Chaos Gaming, and thank you for that burn. I give it to you because it's kind of true. Jehan the Bomb has no friends. But it's fine. We have fish. So congrats to Chaos Gaming, and hit me up, DM me, and I'll deliver the rod to you wherever you are. Hopefully you're in my vicinity, so it'll be easier for me logistically. So thank you all of you who commented for that post, for that video, and congrats again to Chaos Gaming. So let's move on to the fishing. Yo, what's up YouTube? It's me, Eken the Bomb, and it's raining outside. I just came back from like a short baiting session and it wasn't very good, so came back because it was raining. But came back to this, received my Maxcatch telescopic rod, which I ordered like a month back or so. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and then we'll be testing it out and see how it performs, right? So let's go. Okay, back, string inside here. The rod cover here, some neoprene material. Alright, had a quick shower and then we're gonna talk about this rod right now. Just a quick breakdown. So let's start with the guides first. Okay, so the guides are fairly decent. I think they're supposed to be like the Fuji KL or K series guides. These are not Fuji guides, but they are decent guides in my opinion. The epoxy is hard, very standard. And guide wraps seems to be pretty standard as well. They're like okay guide wraps, but not perfect. They will hold up. But the only problem which I have with this rod so far right now is that there are no stoppers in between each section. So your bottom sections will always jam into your top section and eat into it. So chop 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 chop, and then you'll have lots of scratches and stuff, wear and tear around the bottom of the guide epoxy. So that will be a slight problem. It won't really screw with your performance of the rod, but it's an issue. Anyway, next up we have the reel seat. Okay, the reel seat and the reel handle is pretty well made in my opinion. They have this cork and EVA foam combination, which I find very aesthetically pleasing. It's very smooth in opening and closing as well, so that's great. And for the butt of the rod, we have a standard cap, so you can unscrew it to flush out the rod itself when you're washing it. So that's great, very standard for this kind of telescopic rods. So that's something to look out for if you're buying a telescopic rod. And so yeah, first glance of the rod is pretty positive. The only thing which I am slightly concerned is about the blank itself, because I've had one Maxcatch rod a long time ago. I broke off I think the tip or something, but it was due to my own fault. I stabbed it into the ground or tried to remove a snag at Jurong Lake and then it snapped. So that was my fault. But general consensus of the rod for me is that the blanks for Maxcatch are normally very hollow, like it feels very empty. Yeah, there's not a lot of material in it. But the good thing is that their rods are very light. So this one is about, I think, 100 and I can't remember, 112 or something grams. It's pretty light. but I'm not sure whether the rod itself will hold up like in like actual fishing itself. So we'll have to bring this out to the water and like really test it out, probably catch a few fish, then I will conclude this review. So stay tuned.
This is my first time in a legal ground.
Really?
Of the year.
Somebody's been a bad boy. Yo, what's up YouTube? It's me, Eken H9, and today we're out here at Jurong Lake Park again. I'm gonna test out the new rod which I just bought, the I think Stalker by Maxcatch, and paired together with the Shimano Nasi size 500. And we've got Ruben around the corner, right down there. Hi Ruben. Hi Ruben. Hi Ruben. Ooh. Hi Ruben. So yeah, starting off with the cheat code lure, which is the spinner. Yeah, so starting off with the cheat code lure, which is the spinner, and hopefully we'll get some fish early to test out whether this new Maxcatch Stalker rod will hold up, and hopefully we'll get some fish today. Stay tuned. Fish on, yeah. First fish of the day is small little peacock bass, like really small. Extremely small. Yo, dude, children. Yeah, so small.
I don't even have any eyes.
There we go. Oh, it's still there. Yeah, so I changed location after a while because Jurong Lake wasn't really producing any fish, so head back to an old playground, which is the drain, and hopefully we'll land some small little fish to test the rods. So that's not much of a test, so I have no idea why you guys are watching this at all. This isn't a good review. Just give me a thumbs down and move on. Yeah, or you could just continue watching and watch me, like, you know, hopefully land some fish. So yeah, stay tuned. Yes, fish on, fish on. Yeah, fish on. What is this fish? It's a tilapia. There you go, fish on. Foul hook on the side. Haha, lol. Don't seem to be any high ones here these days. Not sure if it's swim deeper in or what. Can't really tell. I'll cast a few more times and fish on. Small high one. Dropped. Okay, so I know there's a hard one there. So let's just keep casting there. Hey, so yeah, that was the last fish for today in this video. So overall, I think the Maxcatch telescopic rod is a pretty decent rod. It's very light, very portable, very compact. It fits into my luggage, so it's very perfect for that price point. My only qualm is not sure how long it will last, but we'll see. And last but not least, congratulations again to Chaos Gaming, and thank you all for actually watching my videos and commenting in the comment section. It actually brings me a bit of motivation to make more videos, and hope to bring you more this coming year. And that's all for me today. Tight lines and smiley face.